Recently, a humorous video of a man riding a motorcycle while pulling a cow has gone viral online. After watching the humorous video, several online users expressed interest, and others noted that Pakistan is a country where moving cows by motorcycle is commonplace. The video, which features a man in a white suit driving a car 67 while hauling a cow covered in a huge sack, is reportedly from rural Pakistan. According to Newshub, the cameraman sat in the car with the motorcycle and they laughed merrily as the cow quietly surveyed the scene without displaying any signs of fear. Some online users said it was customary to see cows transported on motorcycles in Pakistan. Greetings from Pakistan, one user added. Take your cows, pigs, donkeys, and monkeys for a nice ride, while another referred to the man as a true cowboy.